So hey everyone, my name is Rayan and today I'm going to teach you how you can edit your pictures in Lightroom to give them a dark green tone just like this picture. So before starting the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and that's it. Let's start the video. So I have already imported the picture, so it's time to start the edit. So start the edit by increasing the exposure to +20, then increase the contrast to around 51 or 50 and decrease the highlights to around 20 from -27 to 30. Now increase the shadows to 63 and then decrease the blacks and whites to -23 and -45 respectively. After that, open the curve and select 3 points on RGB curve and make a curve just like I'm making in this video. After that, move on to temperature and increase the vibrance to around 9 and decrease the saturation to around -19. After that, go to mix and select yellow color and now decrease its hue to -20, its saturation to around -78 to 80 and increase the luminance to around 16. Now move on to the green color and decrease its hue to -26, saturation to -65 and increase the luminance to around 9. After that, move on to aqua and decrease the hue to -48 and saturation to -80. Once that has been done, now move on to blue color, decrease the saturation to -75 and increase the luminance to 35. Now move on to effects and increase the clarity to near around 50, then dehaze the picture to around 35 and decrease the vignette to around -6. Once that has been done, move on to detail and sharpen the picture around 21. Then scroll down, go to noise reduction and set its value to around 16. After that, come back to effects, select split tone and edit the highlights and shadows as shown in the video. After that has been done, the picture is ready. Here's a quick before and after. Now I will copy the settings and apply them on another picture just to give you guys a better idea. So here's the other picture and paste settings. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, share this video, and peace out.